If you're looking for an operating system for self-hosting web applications, then you're in the right place. Today we're going to put head-to-head Yunohost, and we're also going to have a look at Cloudron. We're going to see what they actually have to offer and how they can benefit you. So without further ado, let's climb in. All right, let's have a look at and I'm sure you know what I'm talking about. All right, so we've got access to more than 100 pre-configured applications through an intuitive catalog. This includes email, cloud storage, social networks, and productivity tools. You get to seamlessly integrate or connect multiple domains and subdomains to your server with an automatic SSL certificate management via Let's Encrypt. It also centralizes user management with a single sign-in on capabilities across all of your installed applications, which simplifies access control. You can also see over here that it has a built-in firewall with automatic intrusion detection. It protects against common attack vectors and unauthorized access attempts. You can also schedule encrypted backups with versioning for critical data and configurations, supporting both local and remote storage options. It automatically updates security patches and notifications, which ensure that your self-hosted environment remains protected against emerging vulnerabilities. The last thing over here we're going to have a look at is the fact that it is open source. So it is built on Debian Linux with a fully transparent code base, enabling thorough community auditing and meaningful contributions from developers across the globe. It is a thriving multilingual support network providing expert troubleshooting assistance, comprehensive configuration guides, and proven best practices for successful self-hosting. It is a robust, standardized packaging system which empowers developers to efficiently create, maintain, and distribute app integrations through streamlined collaborative development processes. Okay, so let's have a look at Cloudron and how they are simplifying self-hosting. So Cloudron actually transforms the complexity of self-hosting into a streamlined experience, offering a turnkey platform for deploying and managing over 120 popular applications, including WordPress, Nextcloud, and GitLab. It also comes with end-to-end deployment automation, handling DNS configuration, database provisioning, SSL certificate management, and scheduled backups. Cloudron eliminates the traditional pain points of self-hosting. It is designed with flexibility in mind, so it runs on any server environment, and whether it's cloud-based or on-premises, it gives you full and complete freedom of your infrastructure choices. The intuitive App Store model enables instant one-click installations and handles automatic updates, dramatically reducing maintenance overhead. Some of their powerful features for effortless management include a unified user management system. So this is centralized authentication and user control across all of your applications, and it eliminates the need to manage multiple user accounts, and it provides a single sign-on capability. You also get secure container isolation. So applications run in isolated Docker containers, enhancing security and, of course, ensuring compatibility between different apps with conflicting dependencies. It also has an automated backup to local storage or even remote providers like S3, Wasabi, SFTP, with configurable retention policies and one-click restoration. It also has fine-grained resource limits, domain management, SFTP access, SSL certificates, firewall configuration, and real-time monitoring to keep your infrastructure running smoothly. The last thing we're going to just run through over here is who it is actually for and how it can benefit various users. So it meets the needs of SMBs seeking cost-effective IT solutions, developers requiring customizable environments, IT administrators managing organizational infrastructure, and privacy-focused users wanting data sovereignty. It also replaces expensive subscription services with efficient self-hosted alternatives that provide better control and eliminate ongoing costs. It also streamlines IT operations. So it dramatically reduces complexity through automation of server management tasks, supporting team collaboration tools, secure email solutions, business web applications, and complete data control. And there you go, ladies and gentlemen, a head-to-head comparison of two of the top dogs in this category. Now, the takeaway is always to go ahead and use all the software that is available. Try 3 or 4 and figure out which one is the better option for you and for your specific use case. If this was helpful, drop us a like. We'll see you next time.